Imagine walking into an Apple store, handing over just $299 and walking out with a brand new Mac. It sounds impossible. For decades, Apple and budget computer have never belonged in the same sentence. But according to recent supply chain rumors, Apple may be working on exactly that, a radically affordable desktop computer designed to bring the Mac experience to millions of new users. And if these leaks are accurate, this could be one of Apple's most disruptive products in years. The secret reportedly lies in Apple's smartphone technology. Instead of using a traditional desktop processor, Apple is rumored to power this machine with the A18 Pro chip, the same family of silicon that powers its flagship mobile devices. Now, that might sound like a downgrade. But here's the surprising part. Modern smartphone chips are incredibly powerful. For everyday tasks like web browsing, email, streaming, office work, online classes, and video calls, they're already faster than most people need. By using a highly efficient mobile processor, Apple can eliminate bulky cooling systems, remove noisy fans, reduce manufacturing costs, and create a completely silent desktop. The result could be a tiny aluminum computer that delivers the full macOS experience for a fraction of the price of a Mac Mini. According to the rumors, the base model would feature 8 GB of unified memory and 256 GB of storage. Not impressive on paper, but potentially more than enough for students, families, remote workers, and casual users. And that's exactly who Apple appears to be targeting. This isn't a computer for video editors working with 8K footage. It's for people who simply want a reliable, premium computer that works. The bigger story, however, isn't the hardware. It's Apple's strategy. Millions of people already own iPhones but continue using Windows PCs because Macs are too expensive. A $299 desktop removes that barrier almost entirely. Suddenly, features like iPhone photo syncing, iMessage on desktop, AirDrop, and seamless ecosystem integration become available to virtually anyone. That's a powerful incentive. And once users enter the Apple ecosystem, many eventually upgrade to higher-end Macs, subscribe to iCloud, and invest in additional Apple services. In other words, this affordable desktop may not just be a computer. It could be Apple's smartest long-term business move yet. If Apple actually launches a premium-looking Mac for $299, it won't just challenge budget Windows PCs, it could completely redefine what consumers expect from entry-level computers. The question is simple. Would you buy a $299 Mac? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more Apple leaks, tech news, and future product updates.